You've described Kurdistan as the last great easy oil province. Why is that?
The fact is it's one of the last places onshore to be explored in the world. And the reason for that is, of course, politics. It's been off limits for the best part of the last 50 or 60 years. And the exploration that the industry is conducting in the Kurdistan region is analogous to that which the likes of Shell and BP and Exxon conducted all over the Middle East in the 50s and 60s. So it's like going back in the exploration game almost half a century.
And how significant is the arrival of Exxon in Kurdistan?
I think it's very significant. Of course, it validates what we have chosen to do. It will, I'm certain, bring greater professionalism to the industry overall in the region. I think it's overall very good news.
You have nearly $2 billion on your balance sheet. What are you going to spend it on?
That's the $64 question that a lot of people are asking. But I think what we now have to do is look at what we have with Genel and what would be complementary to what we now have. So what we now have is a series of major assets where we can grow production very significantly over the next 2 or 3 years. We have an exploration program which is very exciting over the next 18 months, but 18 months from now we're running out of exploration opportunity. And we have a very geographically focused portfolio, Kurdistan. So if you think about what the next step should be, we should be looking at geographic diversification and finding opportunities where there is more exploration running room in the portfolio than we have today. And I think the third thing I would add to that is that we have the benefit of a very strong Turkish brand and Turkish flag. So we're going to look for opportunities where that is an advantage. So 3 things: more exploration, geographical diversification, and the opportunity to use our Turkish brand to our advantage.
You recently announced that Genel has increased its stake in Chiyasuk. What were the reasons behind this?
It has always been our intention, where we can see good value, to consolidate our position in the Kurdistan region. Chiyasuk was a great example of that. We had a 20% non-operating interest, and we've managed to secure now an 80% operated interest in what I think is a particularly prospective area. And we will continue to do that where we see good opportunities in the Kurdistan region.
Finally, Genel has a strong platform for growth. What are your ambitions for 2012?
I think our ambitions for 2012 are to emerge as a very conventional public company. We've taken a cash acquisition company, merged it with a private company. We're now listed on the London Stock Exchange. We need to emerge now as a very conventional, very exciting, I hope, exploration and production company. And that's about doing what we said we're going to do. So we've laid out a program of things we're going to do, and I'm certain the market will be looking to see that we can follow through on that and deliver on our promises. And that's what we're going to do.
Tony Hayward, thank you.
Thank you.